Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful friends listening at home. It is a beautiful day to practice English together.
Yes, it is. It is always a good day to learn something new. How are you today, Paul?
I am doing very well, thank you, Emily. I am happy, but to be honest, I am a little tired today.
Oh no, tired? Why are you tired, Paul? Did you stay up late?
No, I did not stay up late, but my children, they woke up very early.
Ah, I understand. Children have a lot of energy in the morning.
They do. They have too much energy, and that is actually our topic for today.
Yes, today we are talking about daily routine at home with kids.
This is a great topic. Many of our listeners are parents, or maybe they look after nieces, nephews, or younger brothers and sisters.
Exactly. We will talk about the morning, the afternoon, and the night. All the vocabulary you need for a family routine.
That sounds very useful. Being a parent is hard work, but it is also fun.
It is. But Paul, before we start our busy day, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please click the like button now. It helps us very much.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Channel. We want you to be here for every episode.
And share this with your friends. Maybe your friends who are parents need this episode too.
Yes. Okay, Paul, let's start at the beginning, the morning.
The morning. The start of the chaos.
Chaos? Oh, Paul, let's call it the morning rush.
Okay, the morning rush. For me, it starts at 6 a.m.
6 a.m.? That is early. Do you use an alarm clock?
No, I do not need an alarm clock. I have children. My son comes into my room and says, "Daddy, wake up! I am hungry."
That is a very effective alarm clock. So the first thing is waking up.
Yes, waking up and getting out of bed. Then we go to the kitchen for breakfast.
Breakfast is the most important meal. What do your kids eat?
They like cereal. Usually milk and cereal, but sometimes they want pancakes.
Pancakes are delicious, but making pancakes takes time.
It does, and it makes a mess. Mess is a good word for today.
Yes, a mess is when things are dirty or not organized, like milk on the table or cereal on the floor.
Exactly. My kitchen is always a mess in the morning. I say, please be careful with the milk, but accidents happen.
Of course. So after breakfast, what is the next step in the routine?
Getting dressed. This is a very difficult part.
Why is it difficult? You just put on clothes.
Ideally, yes, but my daughter, she cannot find her socks ever.
The mystery of the lost socks?
Yes, every morning I say, put on your socks, please. And she says, Daddy, I only have one sock.
Oh dear, so you spend time looking for socks.
Yes, we look under the bed, we look in the sofa. Finally, we find the socks. Then we put on shoes.
Putting on shoes can be slow too.
Very slow, and sometimes they put the left shoe on the right foot.
That is very cute, but not very comfortable.
No, so I help them. Then we brush our teeth.
Brushing teeth is very important. Do they like brushing their teeth?
Not really. I have to say, open wide, brush, brush, brush. We make it a game.
That is a good tip. Make it a game. It is more fun that way.
Yes. Then we grab our bags, school bags, and we go to the car.
And that is the school run, taking the kids to school.
Yes, I drive them to school. I say, have a good day, be nice, and they run inside.
And then, silence.
Yes, silence. I go to work, or I come home to clean the house.
Let's talk about the house routine when the kids are not there, or maybe on the weekend when they are home. There are chores to do.
Chores. That is a very common English word. Chores are small jobs you do in the house.
Like washing the dishes?
Yes, washing the dishes, doing the laundry.
Doing the laundry means washing the clothes.
With kids, there is always a lot of laundry. Dirty shirts, dirty socks, dirty everything.
I can imagine. And what about toys?
Oh, the toys. That is a big problem. Toys are everywhere. In the living room, in the kitchen, in the bathroom.
So you have to tidy up.
Yes, tidy up means to clean and put things in the correct place. I tell my kids, it is time to tidy up. Put your toys in the box.
Do they listen?
Sometimes, but usually I help them. We sing a song while we clean.
Another game. You are a fun dad, Paul.
I try. But let's talk about the afternoon, when they come home from school.
Okay, the afternoon routine. Are they tired?
A little, but they are mostly hungry again.
Growing children are always hungry, so you have a snack.
Yes, a snack. Maybe an apple or some crackers. And then, homework.
Ah, homework. Schoolwork at home? Is that difficult?
It can be. Sometimes they say, "Daddy, I don't want to do math."
Math is hard. I understand them.
Me too. But I say, first homework, then play.
That is a good rule. First work, then fun.
Exactly. After homework, they play. They go outside to the garden or they watch a little TV.
That is nice. Playtime is important. It helps them relax.
Yes, and it gives me time to cook dinner.
Cooking dinner for a family is a big job. What do you make?
I try to make healthy food. Chicken, vegetables, rice.
Do they eat the vegetables?
That is the big question. Sometimes. My son loves carrots. My daughter, she hates anything green.
No broccoli for her?
No, she says, yuck, green food. So I have to be creative. I hide the vegetables in the sauce.
You are very smart. A secret chef.
Yes, we sit at the table together. We eat dinner and we talk. I ask, how was school today?
That is a lovely tradition. Family dinner.
It is my favorite part of the day. We laugh and talk.
And after dinner, is it time to relax?
Not yet. Then comes the bedtime routine.
The end of the day. This is a very special time.
It is. First, it is bath time.
Bath time with water and bubbles?
Yes, lots of bubbles. They play with their bath toys. A yellow duck, a boat.
A yellow duck. Classic.
Then they put on their pajamas.
Pajamas. Soft clothes for sleeping.
Yes, and we brush teeth. Again.
Very good. Hygiene is important, morning and night.
Then we go to the bedroom. The lights are low. It is quiet.
Do you read a story?
Yes, this is the best part. Story time. They get into bed. Under the warm blankets, I sit in the chair.
What books do you read?
We like books about animals. Bears, rabbits, dragons.
That sounds magical. Reading English books to kids is also a great way to learn English, you know.
That is very true. The words are simple and the pictures help.
So you read the book. Do they fall asleep?
Usually. Sometimes they say, "Daddy, one more story, please."
Just one more.
And sometimes I say yes, but usually I say, "No, it is sleep time. Good night."
And you turn off the light.
Yes, I kiss them good night. I say, "Sweet dreams."
Sweet dreams. That is a beautiful phrase.
And then I leave the room. I close the door very, very quietly.
And then?
Then I sit on the sofa and I do nothing.
You relax. You survived the day.
Yes, it is a long day from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m., but I love it.
It sounds like a busy but happy life, Paul.
It is. Routine is very helpful. Children like routine. They like to know what happens next.
Adults like routine too, I think. It makes life easier.
It does. When we have a plan, we are less stressed.
So let's review some of the words we used today.
Good idea. We talked about wake up and breakfast,
We talked about getting dressed, socks, and shoes.
and the school run.
Then we had chores, tidy up, and laundry.
We talked about homework, dinner, and vegetables.
And finally, the bedtime routine, bath, pajamas, and story time.
Wow, that is a lot of vocabulary.
It is, but these are words you can use every single day.
Yes, you can practice them in your own house, even if you don't have kids.
Exactly. You can narrate your day. You can say, I am washing the dishes now, or I am putting on my shoes,
That is a great way to practice. Speak to yourself.
or speak to your cat.
Yes, my cat is a very good listener.
Paul, do you have a different routine on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday?
A little bit different. On Saturday, we are a little slower.
Do you sleep late?
I wish. No, the kids still wake up at 6 a.m. They do not know it is Saturday.
Oh no.
But we do not have school, so we stay in our pajamas longer. We eat a big breakfast.
The pancakes.
Yes, the pancakes. And we go to the park. It is more relaxed.
That sounds wonderful. Routine is good, but a break from routine is also good.
Yes, balance is key.
Well, Paul, listening to your routine makes me feel tired.
It makes me feel tired too, but talking about it was fun.
It was very fun. Parenting is a universal topic. Everyone understands the lost sock problem.
I think so.
Well, we are coming to the end of our episode.
Oh, already? Time flies when we are having fun.
It does. Thank you for sharing your day with us, Paul.
You are welcome, Emily, and thank you to everyone for listening.
We hope you learned some new words for your daily life.
Yes, and now we have a question for you.
We love to hear from you. Please tell us in the comments below.
What is your morning routine? Are you fast or are you slow in the morning?
Oh, good question. Or do you have a funny story about kids and messes?
We want to hear those stories. Writing your routine is excellent practice.
Yes, it is. So please leave a comment.
And remember, if you enjoyed this chat, subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And share this podcast with your family and friends. Help us grow our friendly community.
Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful, organized day.
Yes, good luck with your routine. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.